Here's I Like a Bird. Let's start again.